Hello, and welcome to the training session for VSD Forex Bureau software. And the VSD Forex Bureau software is a new software developed by the company VV Systems Developer Limited, and it is a web-based system. And today we are going to see the navigation part of the system. That means how to navigate or how to move around in the system and what are the features are there for for the navigation. So we'll be starting looking at the navigation of the system, and we'll go further with it. As I told you, it's a web-based system. So you need to open any browser, web browser like Firefox, Mozilla, or Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge, or even Safari for those who are using Apple products. So for me, I'll be using Google Chrome right now. So I'll open a Google Chrome, and you have to open a system as if you're opening any website. So you'll be given a URL or the website name, as you can say, which will open the system for you. So let's say I'm opening up my system using my browser, and this is how you'll get the system, whereby you'll be able to see a place where you can put your username and password in the system. Now, in order to start using the system username is either you can put an email address like this. Okay, the system can identify a user by email address, and you can put your password. Let me put my password, and you can click on login and open and log into the system, or you can click here and log out. So let's see the option. Other option, you can use username, which you can be provided by your system administrator, and you can use the same password to log in, and system will log in there. Or you can also use a mobile number and same password. Okay, so let's log out again once more. So this is how you basically log in the system. You can log in either username that means which has been provided, email address, or the mobile number. So let's take an example that I log in again as with my email address. If you make any error in your password when you try to log in, it will give you invalid login, try again. Okay, so you can put your correct one, and then you'll be able to log into the system, and that's how you go into the system. So this is the main screen of the system, whereby so I'll be explaining you each part of this as part of navigation. So you can see on the left, on this side of the screen, which is my left as such. Okay, so you can see these are all the modules which are in the system, and our focus will be more on Forex Bureau module, which is there in the system. This is where the user management and users are created, but we'll be focusing more on the Forex. Okay, so this can be like doing this, you can do that, or you can click on this to hide that menu, and you can unhide the menu from here, right? Another thing is you'll find on the first top part of the system is what is called a shortcut, and down part is called the menu itself. So you can scroll down the menu, and you can see a lot of options are there. It has been categorized into reports, accounting, transactions, and data entry, setups, masters, etc., etc. Right? So instead of looking at it, whatever frequently used items can be kept into your shortcut area, so that you don't need to go and look for it over here and waste your time. To make your life easy, you can have your own shortcuts being set over here. Now, the good part about the system is each user can set his own shortcuts the way he or she wants to set it up. So there are some defaults which have been created. Like if you want to go to buying, you can click on buying, it will take you to buying receipts, or you can go to selling, it will give you to selling receipts, or you can go if you want to directly start creating a new buying receipt So buying with the add new, click on it, automatically it'll bring you to the place where you can start creating a receipt. We'll come all these things in the later sessions. Today we are only concentrating on the navigation part of the system. Okay, so as you can see, the shortcuts are there. You can create your own shortcut. So that's an example. I need to create one more shortcut. So what I'll do is I'll just click on the edit over here on the top, and which will allow me to edit here and move around these menus also if I need to do that according to my preferences. Okay, and I click on here, add shortcut, and I say I want to add a shortcut here. And what shortcut you want? Let's say I need a report to be shown over here. Which report you frequently use? Let's say I want to see stock balance report. Sorry, here. So click on it. No need to put label. If you want to put a label with a different name than this, then you can put that. And then you can click on add. So you can see stock balance has been added here. I can move this around and put it in place where I can do that. I can also like move around and shrink or extend it the way I want, and then I can save this. So I can add another one if you also want to do that. And then finally you can save this. So you can see now I have a shortcut newly created for me, which is the stock balance. Now if anyone else logs in, you might not be seeing this part because this is specific to me, because this is what I prefer to be there in the system. So with this, let's say I want to go to my buying receipt. So I'm in the buying receipt. Now, if you want to go to your home page or the main page of the system, this is the icon, the logo, which will be kept either of your company or company. You see a logo there. If you click on it, it will bring you back to the main screen of the system, or you can call it as a home page. So this basically takes you to the home page, the home page button. So whenever you click over here, wherever you are, it will directly bring you back to the home page. Okay. Another thing is there's this search bar over here on the top. Anything regarding the system, you can just search it over here. Let's take an example. I want to go to a report for called bin card. So I can just say bin card. So you can see report bin card is there. I can click on it and system will open a bin card over here. From here I can directly again search. Let's say I want to go to payment voucher. You can see payment voucher list is here. So I can just click here. It will take me to payment voucher. So this is how you can just quickly search anything in the system and just go there directly without looking at where the menu structure. So I can click again home page. It will take me back to the home page. So you can see payment vouchers here also, but I can also open it from here. Same goes like buying. Shortcut is here, but there's also buying here. So I can open buying either from here or from the shortcut. So this is the main menu, shortcut, and again this is a search bar where you can search anything in the system. Apart from that, there is a notification bell whereby any notification from the system will be appearing it over here. Okay, or any reminders will come, daily events reminders will come up over here. There's notification and daily reminders. Okay, from there if you go to help, so it will see about the software itself, whereby you'll see all the versions and everything. Okay, and apart from that you'll also see the keyboard shortcuts. If you want to learn about keyboard shortcuts on the web-based system, so there are some of them which are already here. So you can just learn from here by Control S, by triggering Control T, going to open some bar and going to settings, clear cache, so far. So each page will have its own help button and you'll have shortcuts which you can read later and understand it properly. Right. From there is this menu whereby it will show your initials. So my name is Vimal Rathod, so it's showing VR as initial. Okay, but you can click on it. It's a menu actually. So you go to this menu, you go to My Settings. Once you go to My Settings, under My Settings, you can see you can scroll down, show you details about your name and everything, which you can edit if you want to edit. But you can go to the important part is this change password. Click here and you can put your new password here. Okay, and as soon as you put your new password and save it again on the top here, then you'll be able to you'll manage to change your password in the system. So that's how you change the password in the system, by going to the menu, going to my settings, scroll down to the change password section, which will be closed. You open it up, and then you click over here, and then you put your new password. Right? This is a place where you can go and change your password. Go back to home page. Click again over here. There's something called reload. Reload will be frequently used by us whenever we'll say just reload your system. So click on the reload. What it will do is basically it will clear all the memory in the system, and it will fetch a fresh new data from the server. So once I do this, it will clear everything and refresh the whole system. Okay, so if any changes we have done in terms of code or any updates, once we say okay, just refresh the page or refresh the system, so it's just to do reload, it will refresh everything over here. Right? Apart from that, you can see in this my current screen, there is this space which is kind of wastage, the white part here. It is not filling up the white part completely. It's like congested on my screen. So I can do here and just say toggle full width. If I do this, you can see it has tried to minimize or fill as much as it can on the screen. So depending on the size of your screen, you might need to just toggle full width. If you do it again, it will shrink back. If you click again, it will expand. So try to keep it expanded so you can have more space to look into this. Okay. And apart from this, lastly is you have logout, where you can just log out from the system and you'll be out of the system from here. Okay, so this is the navigation part of the main screen. Important another thing is like you are working with, let's say, buying over here, and you want to at the same time you want to go to a particular report also. So how do you go about? This is a browser based system, so it's very easy. What you can do is just right click on this tab on the top and click on duplicate. It will open a duplicate windows. You have first one and the second one. On the second one, now you can go to home page and you can open any report or anything you want. Let's say payment voucher. So you have one part of the system, one screen of the system whereby you're buying things open, another part you have this, and you can again duplicate it, and you can keep on duplicating and open as many as you want. Mind you, don't just create as many as you want and just keep them open. That will load up a lot of data and the system might be slow unnecessarily. So if you really want to do that for working purpose, yes, you can create multiple tabs and you can do multiple things, open multiple things on the same system. Mind you, if I log out from one window, it will log out from the rest of them also. Because system is one, session is one, it is just that you are duplicating the page so you can see multiple things at the same time. So this is about the navigation part of the main screen of the system. Okay, now let's go to something, let's go to buying, let's say. If I click on the buying, in our previous system, we used to get the last receipt opens up automatically. In this system, does not do that. It will give you a list of all your receipts which are there in the system. Now, depending on your user rights, you might be able to see some of them, you might not be able to see some of them. Like me, I'm able to see everything right now, so you can see the total 6,500 and 656,937 entries are there, but I'm only able to see first 20. Okay, so this is where you can see those things, how many records are there, or how many records you are able to see them. So you can scroll down and you will be able to see only first 20 records. If I click on load more, the system will load another 21. So you can see on the top now it will show 40 out of that. So I can scroll down again, I can load more. But instead of doing that, if you want to see 100 records at the same time, so you can click from 20 to 100. So it will load 100 records at the same time. 100 of this. So you have 100 records and you can load another 100. So more 100 will be loaded up. Okay, it's like just a list. This is what we call a list view. It shows a list of all your receipts. That's why you can see on the top here it's written list view. Okay, there are other views also which we'll come and see later, which is more of the frequently used is report view apart from list. We'll come and see that later. So you can see now it's showing me 200 records over here. But again, if I want to see 500 to go, I can click on 500, which is the maximum, which you can see at a go. So you can see 500 records are being loaded over here, right? So I can go again, move down to the last page. I can load another 500, so now I can see 1000 receipts at the same time. Okay, but this is how you can view the report. But again, it is not easy to just find a particular entry by scrolling down, right? Because you have 600 and something thousand receipts, it's not feasible. So just imagine like this is a list of data which is there in Excel format, in Excel. And how do you do in Excel? What you use is something called filters, right? So same way we can use filters in our system over here also. So either you can, if you know the receipt number, then these are the receipts number. You can see here. So let's say I want receipt number 150. Okay, so I can say maybe 00150. You can see it is showing me all those 00150 which are there in the system. Now these are different branches. Each is having 150 because right now I'm able to see all the branches together. But if you have rights of only seeing one particular branch, then you'll be able to see only one receipt of that number. So that's how you can filter and you can open that particular receipt to view. Okay, but that's how you can filter. Or I can remove this so I can see again everything. All the will be loaded again 677,000. I can use this filter over here. So apart from receipt number, if I want to filter the receipts with, let's say, uh, which is from date, where the posting date is between, now I have a very old date over here. So I'll just put date, let's say from 11th of January 2021. Okay, so I can do this also. So 2021 January 11th to again click again on 11th. So 11th to 11th, 1 day data, and apply. So you can see it's showing me now. So it's refreshing. So it's showing me 1,557 receipts are created on that date of 11th of January, 11th to 11th. I can add another filter and say, okay, let's see data for 11th, but I want to see only for branch name, which is equal to, let's say, head office. And apply filter again. So I'm applying two filters now at the same time. So now you'll see you're further squeezing down to 102 entries only. So now this is purely showing us head office receipts of 11th January. Okay. Now here, let's say I want to add another filter and say I only want those receipts whereby currency sold, currency is GBP. There is none. Let's say KS. Let's try see if K is there. Apply. Yeah, so you can see two entries are there of 11th of January of head office, whereby if I open it and scroll down, it has Kenya shillings as a currency. This is how you can use filters. You can use filters to search for any record which you want in the system. If I want to clear the filters, I can click on this button, which is clear filter button. So it will clear all the filters and it will bring me again full records of 6,937 entries in the system. So this is how the navigation part of the list view looks like. Again, you can see this list can be sorted by different means. So you can sort either by lastly updated, so whatever is latest update will come on the top maybe, the ID number which is a receipt number, or when the receipt was created, okay, or by branch name, or by posting date, or by customer name, or by store name. So you can see all those options are there. So let's take an example. I want to uh, by ID number. It has now brought my ID number, you see, but it is descending order. It starts with big number and then small numbers, you see. So I can click over here. Beside ID, there is this. So now it is going to be an ascending order. So it is refreshing again, and I'll have ascending order coming up soon. Yeah. So you can see now it starts with Arusha with A and 001, 2, 3, 4. Now it's showing in ascending order 1000 receipts. So this is how you can basically sort, or you can basically filter here, and you can sort it, your list view, according to the either ID or last update or whatever the way you want basically to see your data in the system. Again, you have this refresh button where you can refresh it, this list view. So it will then refresh the list view and showing the latest view again, right? On the menu, there is nothing much, but if you want to create a new buying receipt, so this is the blue button which you can use to click and start creating a new receipt, okay, which we'll see later in the new later sessions. But this is how the navigation part of the system, as far as the individual data is concerned. So not only for buying, the similar way you can also see the rest of the documents selling. So these are now selling part. It has S. Selling part is there. Again, there's some filters. Everything remains the same. The look and feel of each and every section. It can be selling or it can be payment voucher. It's the same. It does not change. So whatever you find here, let's say filters always here, you'll always find them here only whenever you go to any voucher. It's a receipt voucher. You'll again find them there only. See? So it remains same. It does not change the layout of the basically the screen, and this is how it is making user friendliness to the system, that is very user friendly to use. Because once I explain you one place how the navigation works, basically it will be applied to all the forms in the system. I hope I'm clear enough. And this is the end of the session of navigation. I hope this made a lot of sense to you. It'll be easier now for you to navigate through the system of VSD Forex Bureau. Thank you.